Today I make simple macaroni pasta. I take 2.5 glass of water, add 1 spoon salt, 150-gram pasta. Then I take some chopped garlic, 1 chopped chili, 1 onion and 1 tomato. This is boiled pasta. Take a pan and 1 spoon oil. Then add chili, garlic and onion. Mix vegetables. Then add chopped tomato, half spoon chili powder, 1.5 spoon tomato ketchup. Mix properly. Add half spoon butter. Add boiled pasta and mix well. Add little bit salt. Add cheese, but it is optional. Pasta is ready, looking delicious.